Good morning, Michelangelo. It's Miss Rose here. I hope everyone's had a wonderful morning so far. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about the alphabet and go over the next letter that we are going to do at school. So last week we talked about the letter U. We learned that the letter U has two sounds, a long sound and a short sound. The long sound goes U and the short sound goes Um, so today we're going to be learning about the next letter. So we can sing the alphabet. We can go through it and find out what that is. So we have A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V. Very good. So our next letter is the letter V. When we're looking at the letter V, we can see that there's two versions of it. There's the uppercase V and the lowercase v. An uppercase V and a lowercase v are actually the same letter. They look the same, they're drawn the same. However, one is bigger than the other. So it's very, very easy to remember. We also know that the letter V makes a sound, just one sound, V. So there's no long and short sound for the letter V because it's just one sound. When we're drawing the letter V, what we do is we start at the top, we go down, and then we keep our marker there, and then we go up. Now, you can also start at the bottom if you want. So you need to go start at the bottom at the point, and you go up, then you go back down to the bottom, the same point, and go up. And that's how you draw the letter V. When we're thinking of words that start with the letter V, let's see. I know a few. I know one already off the top of my head that is someone who's in our classroom. Can anyone think of someone whose name starts with the letter V? Vivian. Very good. So Vivian actually has two V's in her name. The first letter and the second and the third letter. So we have an uppercase V here. Get a little bigger. And then a lowercase v right next to it. Good. What about if you want to say, I'm really hungry, but you can't use the word really. You could say, I'm very good. I am very hungry. What is something that looks like a mountain, except it's open at the top, and hot lava is in there and it can spew out of it? That's a volcano. Very good. V for volcano. What about a type of food that is really good for you and it makes you grow big and tall? It's not a fruit, but like carrots and broccoli and peas and green beans, those are all what? Vegetables. Good. Vegetables. What about if you go on an airplane or take a drive or go on a train, go any way you get there? What if you go somewhere to visit your family, or you go to the beach, or you go stay at a hotel? You might say you're on vacation. Very good. Let's do one more. So, every day at school we do two types of lessons with Mr. Jeff, right? Most of our friends go and learn the piano with Mr. Jeff, but we have a group of friends in Michelangelo who also go and learn the what? Not the piano, the violin. Violin starts with the letter V. So this is a good letter to remember, an easy letter to remember because the uppercase and the lowercase versions look the same. It makes one sound, and it's also one of the easier letters to write out because there's only two lines. I hope everyone has had a good time learning about the letter V and continues to practice it for the rest of the week. We will do more of this tomorrow, and I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their day. Bye, guys!